love autumn. I just love it. I wanna hold the hand.
Hello my besties, how are you? Welcome to my DIY channel. I started decorating my chandelier for fall and I thought maybe I'll bring my besties along. Maybe you enjoyed this video. If you do, please press thumbs up. And if you are not my bestie yet, go ahead, press the red button, subscribe, become my bestie, and we're gonna be in touch, all right? Let's get started. So you can use any fall flowers for this. I have sunflowers from Hobby Lobby. All I'm doing is just measuring how much room I have there. And I bend the stem to make a hook. And use the hook to hang on your chandelier. And everybody has a different type. But basically the same idea will work. And then you bend the flower. Each flower you bend in a different direction, different height. And that way you make it look natural. And it looks like a hanging garden over there. Do you like it? I really like it. And here's my mama. She's sending her love to all of you. She's doing much better. Thank you so much for your concerns. And as you can see, I do the same method of making a hook stem and hanging these sunflowers around the room. Like for example, my curtain rods. I'm going to use this fall grass to cover up the cylinder of my chandelier. I don't like how the stems look there. So again, I'm just going to bend the top of the stem and use it as a hook to cover up the sunflower stems. I mean, distract a little bit from it. And how about some fall leaves on top of it? Let's try. And you know, I can't contain myself. I get too excited when I'm decorating. And of course, everyone has a different light fixture, but all you have to do is try and see what you like. If you're not going to try, you're not going to know if it's going to work. So I'm just playing around here. And now I need to bring some of that orange down. So I don't know how these little flowers are called, but they're so cute. I'm going to try them. Oh, my little Tweety bird is excited. Let's see, I'm going to add some more leaves in there. And some more leaves. And I have 2 of these Dollar Tree garlands. I think I'm just gonna toss these over my curtain rod. In my previous videos, I showed you how I spray paint the hydrangeas from my garden. So here's a bouquet that I could add on a table. What do you think? I think it all goes. And I'm sorry, I'm a little bit all over the place today, but as I unpack my decorations, I get excited with different things, and I'll continue decorating the chandelier in a little bit, but now I found the lanterns. What do you think? I think I need to add some color there, right? Those beautiful fall colors from the chandelier. I'm not attaching anything with the glue because this is just temporary. Throw in some leaves here and there and a little moonflower. I think that's good, right? I have these gold pine cone bunches. I think I'm going to hang them over there on my curtain rods to tie in with the golden hydrangeas on the table. And how about that cute golden fairy? She is so adorable. That's from Marshall's or Home Goods. I like to bend her legs and arms. Let's have her fly underneath the lights. Wait, why is this guy in the kitchen? He goes with my color scheme over here. The fruits and vegetables are a great way to decorate your table for any season. Double duty, right? My husband cut the wood slices for me, so I'm using these underneath each glass. I'm also adding some pumpkins from the Dollar Tree. If you have real ones, even better, go ahead. And of course, any fall dishes that you might have. I often forget what I have. Are you like that too? What's better on the table than the sweets, right? My sister made this cranberry cake. Oh my gosh, it's so good. And then my mom made a plum crumb cake. Go ahead, have a bite, my bestie. I realized we could use a little bit of light over here, right? Before we turn on the chandelier, I think it would be cute to have some orange light in there. So I'm gonna just tangle in some Dollar Tree lights in there. Better, right? And just in case you're wondering, these are LED light bulbs, so they don't get hot. It's safe to have the leaves and grass around there. And finally, I decide to make a large plaid bow. Let's see, 24-inch tail, pinch, and measure additional 12 inches, fold in half. That's first loop. 12 inches, pinch and hold. Second loop. And continue making these loops as many as you like. I want to make a pretty big bow at the top of the chandelier. Do you see how easy it is? I hope you are not scared of bow making. This is real simple. Hold it all tight, grab your floral wire, and tie it through the center. Let's just cut off that second tail. Fluff up your loops. Cut the fishtails. And then fluff up your tails. I think we need a couple more, right? So I'm just going to cut some more ribbon. Put the ends together and cut the fishtails. And attach these to the back of your bow. And just like that, you have a nice big bow. It's perfect to go on the top of your chandelier or really anywhere in your house. And then I cut a couple more of these tails, 12 inches long. When you fold it in half and tie it with a pipe cleaner through the center, you can attach these anywhere at the bottom of your chandelier. And make it look like the bow extends through the bottom, right? And that completes my fall chandelier look. I hope you like the idea and you're gonna give it a try. I would love to see your creations. What is it, Coco? You smell the turkey? Oh yeah, the turkey's ready. And my besties already know my family turkey recipe, right? I shared with you a couple years ago. It's so good. I hope you're going to give it a try. Take care, my besties. Have a happy Thanksgiving. Love you.